structure, a digital one such as AI, means dealing with human rights. Creating autonomous decision-making systems, making decisions for you, means dealing with human rights. Handling data, the numbers responsible for representing human beings, means dealing with human rights. Are we preparing the upcoming generation of AI researchers to take up such tasks and responsibility? This is what I ask myself. And this is why we created Ethos+Tekhne, to understand which kind of AI we want and how to achieve it.
Big issues that will affect the whole humanity will need a holistic approach in order to solve them. That's why in Ethos+Tekhne we are invited policy speakers, philosophers, researchers, computer scientists and lawyers in order to join our forces and to find solutions.
Ethos+Tekhne is a joint initiative of different students. It's a bottom-up initiative from students for students and to learn all together.
There are a lot of responsibilities about algorithm developers because at the end the users are citizens, and so standing in a room of people doing science is not enough. It is necessary to have a feedback from the society, and so the aim of the school is not only to train the ethics for scientific people, but also to engage the citizens around this scientific domain.
Wow! What a crazy week here, hosted by Scuola Normale Superiore on the occasion of Ethos+Tekhne, a groundbreaking event for educating a new generation of AI researchers.